Hello everyone and welcome back to our copywriting masterclass. Now this is our lesson number 7 and last time we got to know how to create urgency and scarcity to make people take action now. If you haven't seen that, I would strongly urge you to go and see that. This is you can see thumbnail for it. But how do you build long-term trust so customers keep coming back? That's what we'll cover in this lesson. Lesson number 7, the power of social proof in selling. Imagine you are walking down the street looking for a place to eat. You see two restaurants. One is completely empty, the other is buzzing with people, laughter, long waiting line, and everyone eating there. Which one would you trust more? Most of the people would say once that's full. And that's because of a powerful principle in marketing, which is social proof. And by the end of this lesson, you will get to know why people trust what others say more than what you say. That means word of mouth. And the 5 types of social proof that boost sales instantly, and you can also use for your offer, for your product, course, whatever you are doing to boost the sales. And how to use testimonials, case studies, and reviews the right way. And the best of all, you don't need a big audience to use this. You just need to be smart. So let's go. Think of social proof like your skin. It's the first thing people see when they look at you. If your skin looks sick, tired, or flaky, people assume something is wrong. Same with your copy. If there's no proof that other people trust your product, your audience feels unsure even if your product is great. Let's take an example of Amazon or any other e-commerce business. That have you ever searched for a product on Amazon, found two similar ones, and even with the same rating, but one had 500 reviews and other only 3? You probably bought the one with more reviews, even it was a few bucks more. That's the power of social proof. Now, there are 5 types of social proof which you can use right now to build trust and boost your conversion rates. For example, testimonials, quotes from happy customers. What if I say, this this course helped me triple my income in 3 months? If I say, for example, Adam, Adam got this course, went through this course on YouTube, and this is what he said. He said that this course helped me triple my income in 3 months. And I believe me saying that, trust me, this is very good, it's simple, it's crisp, won't help you much. But this single quote of Adam would for sure have more weightage than my words. Other than that, case studies, stories of real people using your product and winning. For example, Sarah used this social proof formula and landed 3 new clients in 1 week. So previously I was saying that you can boost your conversion rates by using the social proof thing. Now I'm saying there's a girl named as Sarah. She used our social proof formula, which I'm going to tell you even further, and you are just observing it right now. And just because of this formula, she landed 3 new clients in 1 week. How would that sound now? For sure, more authoritative, more authentic, and you guys will be much more interested in knowing and implementing all this. You can have numbers and stats showing how many people use it. For example, if I say over 2,000 marketers use the headline template daily that we gave for free, and you can also get that for free just by simply filling a form. If you haven't seen that, it's popping up on the top right corner right now. Go check that out. and just by simply filling a form which hardly takes 1.5 minutes at max, you will get that. And if your typing is fast, like an average, so you can have that filled in 30 seconds. Anyways, we can use user generated content, for example, photos, videos, or reviews from real customers. For example, I can say, here's John using our tips and tricks in real life, and I can just show how well he is doing. Last but not the least, I can say media mentions or endorsements. For example, what if I say this course is recommended by top copywriters, and you are watching some top copywriters and their podcast, their YouTube videos, their reviews, and they are saying, yeah, learn to earn copywriting class is one of the best. It's very simple, it's great, it's effective. You should for sure go for it. Once you get that to know, I believe, and I'm more than 100% sure, many people will come to see that what this course is and will be much more interested in fulfilling this course and finishing this course than simply me saying this, that it's very simple. Don't get fooled by the simplicity, and you will become the great copywriter. So this is the power, and I gave you the examples. Even if you go on Slack's landing page, you see what the first thing they are saying: more than 200,000 paid customers. Why? This is one sentence. Huge trust, because it shows you are not alone. Others trust us too. That's only three figures giving so huge information and building huge trust just by social proof. And again, like always, we'll have an exercise to add social proof to the product or service. Or we can add a social proof to this YouTube channel or video. Why don't you give it a try? You can utilize all of the above five methods and you can just share the best one. And we can even use that next time in the video to see what's the impact. And again, like always, as I promised, I'm going to keep it very simple, very short, very crisp. So, if you're done with the lesson number 7, now you know how to use social proof like a professional. Next lesson might be the most interesting for majority of the people because it is going to be about what to charge, how to negotiate, and how to land high paying clients with confidence. That's something we'll cover in next lesson, lesson number 8. Until then, don't get fooled by the simplicity. Practice, finish the course, and take care. See you later. Bye bye.